Most people think success depends on IQ, your intelligence quotient, but Daniel Goleman argues there's something even more important: EQ, or emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is your ability to recognize, understand, manage, and use emotions, both your own and those of others, to handle life's challenges and connect meaningfully with people. In his groundbreaking book, Emotional Intelligence, Goleman explains that being book smart isn't enough. Without emotional awareness and control, intelligence can't perform at its best. He breaks EQ into 5 essential skills. 1. Self awareness, the ability to tune into your emotions and understand where they're coming from. It's knowing why you feel frustrated, anxious, or excited, and what triggers it. 2. Self regulation, managing those emotions. Instead of reacting with anger or panic, it means staying calm, adaptable, and in control, especially when things go wrong. Motivation, not just chasing rewards but being driven by purpose. High EQ individuals push through setbacks because they believe in what they're doing for. Empathy, the ability to feel what others are feeling, even if they never say it out loud. It helps us connect, respond with care, and avoid misunderstandings. Social skills, working well with others. Whether it's building strong relationships, resolving conflicts, or inspiring a team, EQ makes it happen. Studies show that people with high EQ are more successful at work, have deeper relationships, and bounce back faster from life's challenges. So the next time you face a difficult situation, don't just ask, "How smart am I?" Ask, "How well do I understand emotions, mine and others?" Because in today's world, it's not just your IQ that matters, it's your EQ what makes intelligence actually work.